surviving.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwi Classics. Check this old girl out. A really nice 72 Buick Skylark Convertible. And man, what a time of year for a convertible. So yeah, this is kind of like the cousin of the white GTO we had in a few weeks ago. White on white. The GTO had white interior, so it was a triple white. This has got the tan interior, which, you know, either one is nice. But yeah, what a great old car. It's got the Buick factory rally wheels on it. I think they called them rally. Back in New Zealand we called these Ross styles. I'm not sure why, but I'm not sure whether you guys call them a Ross style or a rally, but you can see what they are. They're nice wheels. The whole car it's pretty clean, you know. You can see it's had some repairs over the years. It's not perfect, but what a great weekend cruiser for not an astronomical investment. Really cool old car. It's got the great 70s interior, you know, it just kind of screams 70s. Kev loves it. He jumps straight in there, and yeah, so he's loving it. It's got, someone's added the tack on the steering column, which, you know, I mean, that's your personal preference. At least you know how many RPMs you're doing. But yeah, it's all pretty decent inside. Some of the upholstery's getting little splits in it. It's just showing its age a bit, but really it's a nice car. Let's check out this engine. These cars, they only made 3,600 of them in convertible, so they're not you know, not going to see a lot of them. It's got the trusty Buick 350 in it. Now, they were only 230 horse, but a lot of torque, so it's a very capable. I haven't driven this one yet, but I know from past driving experiences they're a very competent performer. You know, they're not going to win a lot of drag races, but if you want to cruise around on a Sunday, go and get breakfast, go to church, whatever it is you want to do, you know, awesome car for doing that. And just bags of torque, and it runs super smooth. Like, it starts at you just have to tap the ignition key and boom, it's away. So, you know, I like that. So, the top's up on a day like this. Why, you say? Why? Because it ain't working. That's why it's here. It's actually broken the hydraulic rams off their mounts. Someone at some point has put a cheap ram in there and the mounting points that bolt it to the chassis are made of plastic, and it's just broken. So we're putting new hoses, new rams in there, and we'll get this convertible top. What's the point of having a convertible if you can't get the convertible top down, right? So yeah, let's. I'm going to get this inside. We'll get some rams in it, and we'll go and do some top-down cruising. See you in a minute, guys. Okay, rams are in, hydraulics are bled, top's down. Time to go driving, man. Yep. Kevin's chilling. Whew, it's a hot day in Tennessee, man. I think we're in the 90s today. It's warm. So, here we go. Top down cruising. Got a nice sounding exhaust on this thing, not too loud, not too quiet. I'm thinking I'm going to like this car. Yeah, it's got a bit of power under your foot. As I was saying before, it's not going to win a lot of drag racing with the 350. Oh, shit my eye. Oh, yeah. This is the kind of weather for top down cruising, man. Whew, feeling cooler already, huh? It's a pretty tight car. It's not rattling a lot. or at all really. It's not squeaking. It's tracking down the road nice. It's just doing it easy. If you need to overtake, you can. And I'm sure it'd cruise down the interstate at 90 mile an hour without any effort at all, really. They've just got bags of torque, you know. Very, very cruisy, comfortable. Yeah, this is, it's funny, it's so similar to that GTO we had. Obviously we changed the suspension in that car, but the GTO's the muscle version. And this, the LeSabre, is the cruiser. It's the comfortable gentleman's car. Oh, I'd like to think I'm a gentleman, you know. I can see myself driving this. But no, it's driving nice, guys. Little stumble there, but she's not in for a tune-up. She's in to get the rag top working. But yeah, that's the first time I've felt that little stumble. I don't think that was really too much to worry about. But yeah, I mean, it's already a given that this one's kind of a win because the top's down, you know, and it goes up and down. Obviously we've run it through its paces a couple of times and bleed the system out, so it's the top's working. This is ready to, he's going to a cruise in tonight, so he was anxious to get it back today, so we managed that for him. And yeah, another one bites the dust. So this can go home, he can enjoy it. He's got some lovely weather coming up, and I think he'll have a good time. Alright guys, well, onwards and upwards. We got more cars to fix, more cars to restore, so we're going to get back to the shop, get into those, and I will see you on the next video. Take it easy, guys.